Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Bramley Moor for another update of the grounds. There's no one on site today, so I might be able to get a little bit closer with the drone, which doesn't really matter because of the zoom I've got, but yeah. So first thing I'm going to look at here is the hydraulic tower, because I said last time that I don't know what's on the roof. Maybe it's zinc or something. Letting cars go past. And other people says it's tin, and then whatever they're putting over it's going to go over it, so I'm just going to have a little look at that now. So that's a little zoom in on that. And let's get right into it. What do people think? Moving the drone round a touch. So I'll have a little bit of light on one side and not as much on the other. Any ideas what people think that is? Because I thought it was tin at first, but I don't think it is tin. Yeah, you can let me know. That'd be helpful. So get over the ground a bit now. Yeah, a little bit higher. Because there's no cranes in the way now, which is really good for us. And there's no one on site, so I'm not really intruding, so I'm gonna get over here and I'm gonna have a good look at the see, that looks like I'm close, but I'm not. I wish I could show you on the GoPro where I am in the air, and it's I'm nowhere near it. So anyway, terracing wise, it looks like there's only those two pieces now to go in this side here. I'm going to get a bit further around and have a good look at them. Oh, good look at the roof there. Oh. Terracing wise, we've got this piece here to go in. There's not much of it to go in now. And then this stands complete terracing wise, and some there as well, so it's not a lot to go in. I'm going to get myself a bit higher now so I can get around the back end of the stands. I thought I might have done more with the barrel roof on the west stand, but obviously not. So on the ground there now there's what, 3 pieces there? 2. 1, 2. And a partly made one, so they're building a third one there. So maybe when that third one's done, they're going to throw the 3 of them up. It's nice and quiet down here today. Going to touch more on them. So there's the partly made one there. Okay. I'm going to get a bit more height and get around the back side then of the stands. Now I'm just going to look up because I should be able to see where I'm standing. Yeah, I'm just over there, so I should, yeah, I'm alright. Zoom down on this. Don't think there's much more than brickwork gone in, has there? So I'll go a bit slower. Just wary of the time, that's all. And it's come on to touch. Have a good look at this barrel roof here now. Yeah, there's not much gone on there since I was last here. Okay. I reckon some more of that'll be going up this week, so I'll try and get down here as much as can to catch some of that going in. There's the home stand, the Gladys Street if you like. Looking really well. Let's get a look at the back end of it now, what that stands. I used to do a low fly pass with my old drone, but I'm not going to get it now with how big the ground's gone up. Let's just move a touch faster round. Oh yes, people keep saying in the comments as well, on the north stand there, all the blue temporary supports have come down now, which they've been covered in other videos, so as I know everyone watches a lot of these videos, so I don't like repeating what's being said in other videos. Let's come out to touch. That's how far away I am. That's how much I was zoomed in. Let's get closer. Good look around. Let's have a look at that stand now. Let's have a close look at that with the zoom feature. That's all nicely done now. Just about ready for the seats. And go around here as well. Looks quite close to the back, that top tier, doesn't it? There's not many rows in that tier. Okay. And then, as I say, down here, there's only that section. And this section there. That needs the so I can come down and touch me on. So let's have a close look at, oh, I'll have a look at the what that attenuation tank's going as well. But I want to have a close look down here. Just seeing it. Okay, so there's piping going in there. That seems new to me. What's all these? Looks like terracing pieces on the floor. Are they offcuts? What is that? Does anyone know? Let me know. I'm gonna bring bring it out a touch more. Yeah, so we got over where the attenuation tank's going as well. I wonder when that's going to get filled in, because it looks though it's in. It looks though it's been concreted in now, doesn't it? Okay. Oh, it's been filled in with something anyway. Can I get a bit closer in, can I? With the glare of the sun on my screen, I can't really tell. It looks like concrete, doesn't it? Okay. And it looks so it's all plumbed. Well, no, this part here doesn't look plumbed properly here, whereas that side does. Or it's fitted into something anyway. Anyone's got any ideas on that, let me know as well. But yeah, it's a quiet one on site, there's no workers to look at, so yeah. And there we are, complete fly around. Little look of the little bit of progress that's gone on. If I've missed anything, let me know, and I'll look at it next time. Okay, right. Apart from that, look after yourselves. Thanks for watching. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.